Hello folks, Easy Rider here. Welcome to my next video. Today I just installed the back rack, Outback Motortek back rack on my wife's 2022 CB500X. If that interests you, stay with me. And welcome back. Yeah, I just installed a back rack on my wife's 2022 CB500X from Outback Motortek. I had previously put on the pannier racks. I made a video about that, but I kept saying SW Motortek. It's Outback Motortek. And anyway, let me turn the camera around and be a quick video, just kind of show you what it looks like, give you some tips. And here we go. And there we are. This is the back rack from Outback Motortek. It's pretty substantial, really nice build. It's kind of expensive. Really didn't want to buy it, but when you put the pannier racks on, you lose the grab handles. So the rack comes with like its own grab handles, and without those, it's hard to kind of secure junk down to the back seat of the bike. This is a 2022 CB500X. I lowered it about 6 inches because my wife's only 4'11". I've got videos on that if you check me out. Anyway, putting it on is pretty simple, straightforward. There's no instructions, but you know, they have a video on their Outback Motortek site that kind of explains it. It's pretty simple. One thing I will say is make sure everything is all loosey-goosey. You got to loosen up all the bolts, everything. If you already put the pannier rack on like I did, you got to pretty much loosen the whole silly thing up and then put it all back together again. One thing to keep an eye on is these bolts right here. Let's see if you can see them. These bolts, that pannier rack bolts that hold the grab rail, they can get really close to your bodywork, especially on the other side. I had to use a couple extra washers. Let's see if this camera will show it. A couple extra washers. I don't know, this lighting in here kind of blows, because it was getting just really close to the bodywork right there. So just keep an eye on that as you're cranking down these bolts. And then on the front of the foot peg thing, there's a little spacer that goes right there. Make sure you add that spacer when you put the pannier racks on. And other than that, pretty solid. I'm pretty impressed. For the money, it cost me a lot. I mean, it was over about 250 bucks, you know, for this thing. So yeah, it's kind of expensive. And they tell you only put 18 pounds on it. I don't know, they all say silly stuff like that. Alright, that's it in a nutshell. You got any questions on it? It's the Outback Motortek. Like I said, I did the pannier rack video. I kept calling it SW Motortek. Oh well, sucks getting old. Alright, hope that helps you out. If you got any questions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit a like and subscribe. Take care.